Big country living.
This how I live. I like to fish and hunt, and I keep it real. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Big Country Living. I'm frying some fish today, and this is my traditional way of frying. Y'all see how it comes out. Ooh, let me go and get this out. That's my traditional way of frying fish. And today, I want to show you guys how to fry perfect fish, but for the keto way. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. Now, for keto, it's going to be a little different because you can only use certain things. So here's what they call, these are pork king goods for pork rind crumbles. So my wife actually made these herself. She keeps this container so that she can continue making them. So what I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to do it. You can see this is my fish here that I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you a few pieces. This fish here, guys, is the best fish in Texas. Arguably, it's crappie. This here is catfish on this side. These are catfish strips, and this here are what we call striper bass. And these are all, I caught all of these myself and clean them. And if you follow my channel, you know that's what I do for a living. I fish, hunt, clean. And when I say for a living, I'm talking about this is what I do in my life. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to use yellow mustard. And this is my binder. You want to get yellow mustard on there. And this mustard is going to cook off, guys. You're not going to taste mustard on these things. And let me turn this down just a little bit while I'm doing this. And as you can see, this is something that I'm doing. Oh, you know what? I got something better. I'm doing this for my wife. She's into keto. And a lot of times, it's hard to get stuff to look and taste the way that you're accustomed to. And in my household, in the big country household, we're used to good things. Now, I like this pan here, this bowl here, because it's flat and I can lay them down. Now, I'm going to go ahead and you don't want to put salt. Nothing with salt on this. So this is garlic powder. So I'm going to throw a little garlic powder in there. This is onion powder. Can you see that? Onion powder. And guys, this is quick and easy, man. I mean, when I say quick and easy, it's quick and easy. I threw some onion powder in there. And I don't measure. I'm country, so we don't measure. Black pepper. Now, if you like spicy, let me go ahead and turn this off real quick. If you like spicy, you can definitely put in some cayenne pepper. As a matter of fact, I just don't want to put any more salt on these rinds because cayenne pepper. Cayenne. I put cayenne on a lot of things, guys. For you guys that don't like spice, don't play with the cayenne. My hand, I got mustard on my hand, so I'm working with one hand. My wife is black, but she got a little Mexican roots in her, so she like that spicy spice. And I guess you don't have to have it in you to like spicy spice, because I like spicy spice. But I like to tease her a lot because she's Mexican and black. So I'm going to mix this up real well, guys, with the hand that doesn't have the mustard on it. Now, y'all look at that fish there. You see how pretty that fish is? Now, let me get me a... I'm gonna get a plate for her fish and napkins to catch the grease. Now guys, now look, that's coated real well. Now keep in mind, I got my pork rinds here. I'm going to mash that into it. This is the trick, because if you do not mash that onto that fish and have a binder, they're just gonna fall apart in the pan. And then when you take the fish and stuff out, it's not gonna fit. I mean, it's not gonna be on there. I'm gonna shake this a little bit more so I can coat this side evenly. You see I'm mashing that in there. I'm putting it on the top and I'm just mashing, guys. I'm mashing, I'm helping it stick. And when I tell you, this is gonna be the best, the best keto fish you're gonna ever taste, hands down. And I wish we had, I wish you guys were close to me and I'll come cook for you, because, you know, I like bragging rights. Now, I'm gonna turn that back on. I already know that I'm gonna wash my hands real quick, guys. I hate have stuff on my hands, and I'll forget and touch something, and then I have to hear the wifey mouth, and she's on me. Now, guys, you see how well coated that fish is? That fish is gonna stay coated. Look at that. She is dancing. Oh, she's dancing. Now that was the crappie. That's the crappie fish. You know what? I'm gonna, yeah, I think I got enough here for this one. This is the bass, the striper bass. And keep in mind, I catch a lot of my stuff myself. That's just how I'll do it, you know. And you're gonna have to have a lot of pork rind because it'll soak up a lot of those pork rinds. And it does not take, fish does not take long, guys. You're not cooking steak. You're not cooking steak at all. You're cooking fish. Keep an eye on it while I do this. And keep in mind, you see I'm mashing this down into it because I want it to stick. And I'm telling you, once you try it like this, I tried it, and guys, I lost my mind. I thought, wow, this is delicious. And I'm like anything else, I perfect what I'm cooking. That's just how I am. Let's see if I can get it out with this. I'm using a different pan, a pot than I normally use, but I'm letting a lot of that oil fall off of it. Oh Lord Jesus! I dropped it back in there, guys. After I let that oil drop off of it. Can you say that's because I'm videotaping? Please don't fall. Please don't break. Please don't break. I'm helping out. Oh God. I'm videotaping, so it had to do that. So I'm gonna lean this out. I don't care about it breaking. We can fold it back over. Look how pretty that is. And I could have easily stopped the tape and did another one, but guys, I'm about real life. My videos, I don't do a lot of editing. What I do is what I do. Because in real life, there's going to be some hiccups. You get to watch Big Country wash out the pan. And she's in there just cooking. Now, I'm going to show you. This is the traditional fry with cornmeal and seasoning in my cornmeal. And this is the keto version. And guys, when I tell you that is crispy and taste, wait until you guys taste this. You're not gonna miss any one of them. You know, you're not gonna miss the traditional at all, because I'll eat either one. This is easier for me because I have so much meal and everything, and I'm accustomed to this. But this is just as easy. And now that my wife she makes her own pork rinds, I have it here. So it's easy for me to do. Both of them will be easy. Okay. Now, this is both fish, the crappie and the striper bass, and this is crappie here. Now, this is what I tell you guys that you're gonna see a lot of. You see this in your oils? I turned off the oil. Let's see. I don't want to burn myself. You see all of this? This is what you get with cooking with, the pork rinds. They will fall. Some of them still will fall off, but if you don't do it the way I showed you, by pressing down on it and using a binder, you're not going to have any coating on your fish whatsoever. But if you do it this way, this fish is going to be crispy. And good. I'm telling you. I don't know if y'all can hear me crunching, but it's crunchy good. So keep in mind, this is going to be oh my God. This is going to be the best tasting keto fish that you can have. Fried fish at that. So keep in mind, you can have those fried foods and be delectable and delightful. Thank you for another episode of Big Country Living. Hope you guys enjoy this fish. The fried fish with the pork rinds. Let's put this in the video so people see it. Pork rinds. So she has a medley of vegetables here. What is this that you're drinking? This unsweet sparkling water, grapefruit, and I don't know what that is, and Tabasco. Again, there she is with that hot stuff. And that's our homemade tartar sauce. Let me open it up. Can I open it up and let people see how you eat and what you make? As a matter of fact, I have one hand. Could you open that for me? This is her homemade tartar sauce with mayo. Well, you tell them. Say it loud, they can hear you.
Mayo, chopped onion, and chopped jalapenos.
And jalapeno.
Pickled jalapenos.
Pickled jalapenos. So, guys, this is how your food can look. Try that fish. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna like it. I'm big country man. I eat well and I love food. I'm picky, and Pamela is picky too. So try it out for keto, and I guarantee you keto people, you will love this keto meal. This is a very simple and easy fried fish keto meal. And it's delectable and delightful. Thanks. Bye.